name is Rachel Metz, if you do not know. This is day 2 of 90 of renovating my house solo. Today we're building a bed. That was so heavy. Okay. Oh my god, I need another break. And then we'll watch sunset. We'll play fetch and watch sunset, I promise. I didn't forget. Yeah. The interesting thing about these last 2 episodes is you're literally seeing it live. Like yesterday I finished the project, edited the episode, and uploaded it. And then today I'm doing the same thing. And then next week we'll get on an actual schedule that's not at midnight, but that's just the name of the game for this week. I'm really excited already about this series. This is, like I said, day 2 of the 90-day renovation. And I'm gonna go ahead and build a bed. This was a beam that was on my property. This is 10 inches high. Typically a bed frame, like from the floor to the bottom of your bed frame, is 8.5 inches. I don't mind this being a little higher though, honestly, because I'm not about to try to cut this. So this is the spine. Let's go watch the sunset. Blaze is gonna kill me. We gotta do that first and then we'll be back, okay?
Birch by Helix aspires to build the world's most comfortable, sustainably sourced, natural, and organic sleep products, making your home a cozier and safer place.
I got the birch, woo, and pillows. Amazing, so exciting. So I got the Birch Natural Luxe mattress. I'm gonna tell you some more about it, but I need to get these pillows added.
Their mattresses are free from polyurethane foams, which can cause harmful off-gassing, and are also free from fiberglass, which can be harmful to your health. Which honestly I didn't know would make me sleep a lot easier, since I didn't know that fun fact, and now I'm avoiding those harmful things. The best part about all this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your door for free within the US. They also offer in-home setup and removal to make your buying experience as convenient as possible. And each Birch mattress comes with 2 of their Eco-Rest pillows made from recycled materials. They're breathable and better for the environment, which is the name of the game for this company. I'm obsessed. At Birch, they pursued the GOTS certification because they are committed to ensuring that all of their organic components, like their cashmere, wool, and their cotton, are genuinely organic, as well as sustainably and responsibly sourced.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I think any guest will be happy. And the view from the sky is so pretty right here. Oh, I'm so excited for this bed build. And I'm just excited for this mattress. Thank you, Birch.
You are bound to bond with a bed from Birch, let me tell you. Head over to the website and check out the other mattresses, as well as their Labor Day sale, which is running now. It's a perfect time to upgrade your sleep with 25% off a Birch mattress, plus 2 free Eco-Rest pillows. You also are going to get a 100-night sleep trial along with their 25-year warranty. You can visit birchliving.com/living-to-DIY or scan the QR code that's popping up on screen to find out more about this limited time offer. Seriously, thank you so much, Birch, for sponsoring today's episode and the perfect night's sleep. I truly appreciate you guys. Let's get back into building the bed frame for this thing.
Bed frame is going to be 89.5 by 60. Why 89.5? I'm adding a little shelf and compensating for the Canuck that I would like to recess into, which is 9.5 inches deep. Typically this bed frame would be around 60 to 80 inches, but we're just customizing a bit because it's my space and I'm allowed to do that. So let's make a very basic frame.
I have built a total of 3 beds, I believe, all varying in different styles and just levels of DIY. So I've linked them all down below for you.
I cannot use my table saw right now this late, but I am gonna just keep on. Oh. What did I think I was cutting? I wasn't recording that entire time. I added 3 supports that run across the spine. And then that side still kind of dips down. I'm gonna see what we can do about the wiggle waggle. And just move forward with adding some more supports here and throwing the mattress on top and seeing how the weight falls. I think my brain is shutting down, which is fine. Oh my God, all right, so again, to not have to deal with wired lighting, make it convenient for you.
Don't be intimidated by adding accent lighting. You can just work smarter, not harder. I am using battery operated push lights to just add some accent lighting underneath this shelf. My original intention for these were to be like private reading lights you can just push on, but in fact they're installed way too low. I don't know what I was thinking. I'll show you later in the episode, but that's okay because they end up lighting up the rug. And so it's just cool to bring all these textures together by accenting them with really easy lighting. Before we move on, don't you worry. I actually this time epoxy sealed completely this little spine here. Well, not little, chunky guy.
So I want this to remain floating, but as you can tell, it has a little bit of flex to it, and I'm just a light little bean over here, so I don't really move it, but if there was like 2 people sitting on one edge, this would probably pull. What I want to do is custom make like an L bracket that comes out to fully support this beam into the actual spine. And I still need to put in between supports. Again, I just want to test this before I solidify it. So this isn't too high. I like that you could just sit on it, but as you can see, we definitely need a little floaty. But it is definitely flexy towards like the edges, you can feel. Okay, I'm gonna keep it honest with you guys. I really thought that these lights were gonna be like reading lights, but now they have become accent lights. So you can see what you're grabbing behind you. I don't know what I wanna wrap the bed in yet. I'm gonna wait to do this siding because I'm not sure what I want to do.
I have been beating myself up continuously for 2 years, which you guys know here very well on my channel. And it's weird because just making this bed, there's this moment of, oh, all of this for this moment to head into the next chapter to renovate for 90 days with you guys. And also just the behind the scenes of my life is kind of cleaning up as well and feeling a little bit more organized and goal oriented. So I'm just really excited now. I used to kind of hate on myself and be like, why am I not further along, blah, blah, blah. But it's really nice now, being the Rachel I am, to appreciate past Rachel doing all that she can to get me to this moment right here. Of course, I am going to light up underneath like I said I was going to, but I am going to do a temporary solution because I need to go to Home Depot, but running to town is like a 2-hour task. So we will get the LED lights that have like a warm glow that will match the rest of the room, and we will wire those into a switch when we do the room reveal next week.
Now, the bed looks super basic, just made and floating. But the reason why I DIYed the bed like this is strictly for the lighting. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh my God.
Do you know what I feel like I'm doing? I feel like I'm creating art for this house. I want everything now to kind of be a masterpiece, if you will. I want you to look at the materials I'm using and second guess if you want to bring them into your home, or look at odds and ends that you didn't typically think were going to work and question why you're not doing it into your space. I think you all should be a little bit more quirky with your space and trust your gut that you don't need to decorate or build or do anything according to Pinterest. Yes, get inspiration, but put the textures in there, people. Put the feeling, put the emotion, put the passion, because you're living there. It is your space. You're living to DIY. So build and DIY the life you love.
Do you guys approve? Okay. Do you guys love the new bed?
It's so good, huh, Binky?
You won't even make eye contact with the camera. Now she will. You're gonna say hello to them because they miss you.
Get her. Get her, Blazy. Get her, Blazy. Get your sister. Ooh.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in to episode 2 of this 90-day renovation series. I will see you next Wednesday for another DIY with a room reveal. So week 1 out of 12 of the 90-day renovation done. Room 1 done. Well, not yet. I will see you next Wednesday for another DIY.